So hi all, in this video we will see how to download SQL Developer IDE. First of all, open any browser, search for download SQL Developer. Click on the first option. Now, according to the configuration of your system, you have to download the file. So I have this Windows 64-bit, so I will download this. Click on this download and click on I review. Click on download. So it will start downloading. So once the file is get downloaded, then go to the file manager. So here we can see that zip file has been downloaded successfully. So now we have to copy this zip file and go to your C drive. In the root path, we have to create a new folder. Create a new folder and keep this in mind while naming the folder. We don't have to give the space. So I will give this name SQL ID. Just paste that thing here. Okay. So after pasting this, right click on this. We have to extract the zip file. Click on extract all. Click on extract. So it will start extracting the file. So it will take some time to get downloaded. I will resume my video once it will get downloaded. So once the file is finished with extracting part, open it, go to the last and double click on this SQL Developer file. So, so this Oracle SQL Developer ID is successfully installed. Now to connect this ID with the database which we have already installed, and I have shown in another video how to install the data Oracle database 19c. We have to connect this one. Click on this sign and we have to give any name whatever we want. Just here in the username you have to give the username as system. I mean password, you have to give the password, the same password which you have given in the Oracle database 19c. So I have given ORCL 1. and here we have to select service name. So in the service name we have to give the name ORCL while installing the database, and then click on test. After that, click on the save button and it will ask for the password. Give the same password as it in database which we have given. So this is how we can download the Oracle SQL Developer, and it is ready to use. Thank you.